Sydney Henderson, now Coach Whitten and the boys coming in as well. What a big win for Mount St. Mary's, 51-39, the final in Sydney. You guys hold LAU Brooklyn under 40 points in this game. Not easy to do.
Not at all. We stress defense leads to our offense, and that's what we worked on and to prepare for this game, and giving up only 39 points is really good for us.
And you guys had a tough time getting into a rhythm offensively in the first half, but boy, did you get hot there in the second half, and you scored multiple buckets with the shot clock hitting 0 right there. You were able to make it happen late.
You know, we just try to stay calm and collected when we run our plays, and when the shot clock gets to 10, we just know that a ball screen is coming with whoever has the ball in their hands, and that they have to take that shot, whatever kind of shot it is, but thankfully mine went in.
And last for Sydney, this was a big win. Getting that 9th win, assuring yourself of at least a 500 season in conference play. And now, as you go to the road, you know just about you're going to be a playoff team. The question is, will you have a home playoff game? You've got an opportunity, if you're able to get 2 wins, to maybe get it done.
It's a big opportunity, and that's what we're going for, but we just have to take it one game at a time, and we know what we're up for, and it's going to be a battle in these next 2 games.
Well, congratulations, your last game here at Knott Arena in the regular season, and a big win.
Thank you.
Well, we're waiting for Coach Whitten here. Coach, this is a big win for you guys, and it's not too often that you're able to hold another NEC opponent to under 40 points in a game.
No, we played great defense. I mean, 17 in the first half, whatever it was in the second half, 22. And they had 2 threes in the last 2 minutes to get that. I mean, they were at 30, 31, 32, 33 for a long time.
We got to give it to your halftime speech, because you guys really came out on fire offensively in the second half. Tell us a little bit about what you guys talked about there at the break.
We just talked about playing a little bit better. Rebounding the ball better was one thing, executing a little bit better. We talked about the angles coming off our screens, and just finishing shots. I mean, it wasn't really, recreating the wheel or anything. We said, hey, let's do what we're doing, just do a little bit better, and the kids were great.
Have to feel that you do some scoreboard watching tonight. There's a chance that you guys clinch a postseason berth if everything falls your way, but I believe so.
I mean, I haven't watched, after, I forget, about 4 games ago, I said, listen, I said, I'm not watching. I haven't looked at the standings in 2 weeks.
Well, you guys came in tied for 5th, so you got a big opportunity here. You go on the road. You really have a real chance of getting a home playoff game here.
Which would be great, would be great. I mean, we talked, the other day about how we said seniors need to leave it better than they found it. And, to get a home playoff game would just be a great end for them, and a great, testament to the rest of our kids, and a great beginning for everything else.
And finally, the final home game for both Selena Mann and Tara Lonergan, and they both played well.
They did. Selena did a great job. Always does. Tara played really well and really hard. And, I use the word challenge a lot, and the older you get, the more I challenge you, because I don't want you to get complacent. And they have really accepted that challenge and really come on. And again, I think, what they've been able to do for our program speaks for itself.
Well, thank you for a great year, Coach Whitten. I know you guys have a lot more work to do.
My little guy, Jamie, he wanted to say something. What did you want to say, Jamie?
What do you want to say, Jamie?
Go Mount.
We like that. And we wish you guys the best. Hope to see you again back at home here in a week or so.
Love to have a home game on Sunday the 10th.
Folks, that's Coach Brian Whitten. We're going to take a break, and we'll be back to wrap it up here from Knott Arena. Mount St. Mary's wins it 51-39 here tonight.